What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Cardano ADA. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So first of all, let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and as you can see, we hit this range of golden pocket right here, and I've told you that potentially we might have next leg to the upside, but instead of this we went lower. And the reason of this sell-off was the sell-off of Bitcoin and the policy of Federal Reserve and problems in Kazakhstan. And all of this news drive the price of entire crypto market down, and that's why we had this sell-off. So we hit again the range of golden pocket, and statistically it is the most probable level of trend reversal. And as you can see right here, we can see huge increase in volume during this movement to the upside, and it is extremely good technical sign. So I will show you my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto market. We are sitting at $2.07 trillion of total market cap. It is a tiny decrease of 0.04% over the last day. And as you can see, during last 24 hours, major cryptocurrencies moving pretty much sideways. And on 7 days period, they are in green. Bitcoin has increased in its price for 2.82%. Ethereum has increased for 5.61%, and BNB has increased for 12.73%. And let me show you the Cardano numbers. For now it has a total market cap of $46.76 billion. It is a 5.44% increase over the last day. And the total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $2.42 billion. And it is extremely higher than it was previously for more than 132%. So very good sign that with this movement to the upside, as you can see, we are moving higher and higher, and the volume is also increasing right here. And this means we might see a trend continuation. So let me show you the news that might be the catalyst for this movement. On ambcrypto.com we have this article that was published just 12 hours ago, and that's titled Cardano price spikes by 9% in 24 hours. Here's what might be fueling it. And let me quote you this. Cardano is up by an impressive 9% in the last 24 hours with the price of $1.39 at the press time. As the price sees a positive spike, there is a close to 30% plus on its DeFi total value locked over the same period. The positive sentiment could be due to a combination of factors, with new launches being a crucial addition to the network. So, and the first launch might be this one. Sunday Swap, a Cardano-based decentralized exchange, has announced that the mainnet launch will take place on 20th of January. Next one, along with that, VY Finance, another DeFi protocol, made its debut on the network. It is the protocol that aims to bring neural net auto-harvesting and KYC-less hedge fund staking to Cardano. And on top of that, we have next one. We should also note that Pavia.io has also officially launched on Cardano as the first metaverse after NFTs have gained traction on the blockchain. Comparing it to the metaverse OGs, the company noted, hot on the heels of projects like Decentraland and the sandbox game on Ethereum, the metaverse comes to the Cardano blockchain in the form of Pavia.io. Having said that, Cardano announced that it still aims to address classic issues of scalability, security, and decentralization in 2022. So, I think this news was the reason of this movement to the upside, And that's why we can see the continuation of this trend, because all in all, these news are not the short-term catalyst. It is new clients, new users, major users of this network, and this means it will attract more and more end users to the network, and at the end of the day, it will drastically improve fundamental numbers of this network. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's switch to this price chart, and I make a breakdown according to Elliott wave theory on this chart. So, as you can see, we had this movement to the upside, and I've told you that we should land at the ranges of about golden pocket. It is the range in between 0.65 and 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels, and as you can see, we had very good reaction around these levels, but eventually we had this massive sell-off with huge increase in volume, and as I already mentioned, it was the sell-off for the entire crypto industry. And even with this massive movement to the downside, we didn't break previous bottom right here. As you can see, we had double bottom pattern at the range of about $1.18 price point. And this means this asset had extremely strong support range at this level. But eventually we went lower, and from this point we have next movement to the upside. And potentially, according to Elliott wave theory, we might have this breakdown. This might be our first wave, this might be our second, third, fourth, and probably this might be the fifth, or one more leg to the upside to complete the entire movement. And right after that, we have to have a retracement that in the most common way might have a shape of simple zigzag, something like this. And this will be your next accumulation point if you want to invest in this asset, and if you realize all the risks that might be involved in the process of investing in cryptocurrencies. So, what should we expect next? In my opinion, very good sign from the fundamental standpoint is the volume. And the volume, especially on this latest movement, as you can see, we had a huge spike in green volume. The volume indicates that we might see a trend continuation. But we have to be cautious, because we didn't form higher highs and higher lows on a greater scale. And if I switch to 4 hours time frame, as you can see, we still have lower highs and lower lows, and this means we are not out of the woods. So what is the next key point that we should break in order to establish at least a short-term uptrend? And it is definitely this previous top. The range of about $1.6 should be broken in order to establish higher highs on this scale. And when we will break it, or potentially we might hit this range, then we will have a retracement and break it to the upside. Only in this case, when we will have consistently 2 points of higher lows and 2 points of higher highs, we can have more confirmation of an upcoming uptrend. And on a greater scale, let me show you that if you want to invest in this asset for the long period of time, if I switch to daily time frame, we have extremely powerful range of support that is in between $1.12 and $1.22, and it is the golden pocket. Next huge psychological number is exactly $1 mark, and if we will hit it and have a good bounce to the upside with increasing volume, it will definitely indicate that we are nearing the bottom and potentially we might have a trend reversal. So for now it is too early to make an assumption whether it is a new uptrend or not, but all in all, if it is not the bottom of this retracement, we are nearing this bottom, and this means you can accumulate your position with this asset if you want to invest for the long period of time. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!